wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title, let's talk about it. It's actually sad how many of these videos I've had to do this year. And 2024, it's been a hard year for people financially, from businesses to consumers. People are not shopping as much, brands aren't making as much, so brand owners have to make the decisions that they have to make. But it's very sad to me how many I've had to do this year, and I feel like a majority of them have been Black-owned businesses, because I was here for the start of most of these businesses, right? I was here during the time period where people were like, well, if you don't like being left out, then go make your own. And that's what Black women did. They said, okay, bet. I see a gap. I want to fill it. They created these companies, and now I'm just watching like so many of them where, I have talked about them when they first started, like a launch video of them, or, at their peak, stuff like that. And now in literally just 1 year, Uma Beauty, Mented, Beauty Bakery, and now, if you guys have not heard, colouredraine has announced that they are shutting their doors. So I got tagged a bunch of times. If I did not answer you directly, my bad. I'd be having a lot going on, but just know I did see your message of people reaching out to me, seeing, did I see that colouredraine announced that they were shutting down? So I did go look, and they basically posted, closeout sale, site is closing November 19th, 2024. Final farewell. It is with a heavy yet grateful heart that we announce the closing of colouredraine after 12 incredible years in the beauty industry. Our journey has been driven by passion and a deep respect for our vibrant community. We're so thankful to have bought unique, high-quality products to your beauty routines. As an independent brand, we face challenges, especially in today's economic climate. For those who placed pre-orders we couldn't fulfill, rest assured you will receive full refunds. We sincerely apologize for any disappointment caused. To celebrate our legacy, we're marking down all remaining products to just $2.50. Don't miss this final chance to grab your favorite items. Exclusions apply for the 20-piece blend to perfection brush set, which is $10, and the Cam Quad palette, which is $5. No codes will be accepted. Shop until Tuesday, November 19th at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard before we bid farewell. Your loyalty and support have meant the world to us, and though we're closing this chapter, you will always be a part of colouredraine's story. Please note, we ask that you kindly grant us grace and patience as we work through the overwhelming support of orders received. All orders will process within 7 to 14 business days in the order it has been received. We leave you with Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. That's a link. With heartfelt appreciation, the colouredraine team. So I did want to make a post just letting you know, if you have any favorites, any holy grails that are colouredraine, you do have a chance to get them at a pretty good discount until next Tuesday. And yeah, they don't really go into much of why it is that they are shutting down. It's most likely business related. I did see some people talking about, the included Bible verse. And if you remember with the whole Beauty Bakery, and she had shut down because, she was like, it's just not my calling anymore. And I have seen a lot of takes on social media about how, about spiritual psychosis and how people are, letting their religious beliefs take over a little too much. I don't think enough was said in that statement to, even allude to any type of spiritual psychosis or it being a religious reason. Businesses shut down because business gets rough. And that's what I be saying when that's what I be saying when I talk about, like, a lot of grace is not given to small businesses, and a lot of grace is not given to Black small businesses, even from other Black people. I am so sorry, y'all. I gotta go chase the mailman down for a second. I'll be right back. And mind you, this is just the perspective if you actually want to support Black-owned brands. Because y'all be claiming that you do. And every time something goes wrong, every time big corporations piss y'all off, that is when you remember that there are brands out there for you, made by you, people who look like you, that you can go support, because a lot of you make them an afterthought. If you want to, then I'm just suggesting maybe give them a little bit more grace and, seek them out a little bit, right? But you don't have to, babes. You don't have to support Black-owned brands, because the last time I talked about this, I literally had people in the comments saying that I was trying to bully them into supporting Black-owned brands and saying that, oh, I'm tired of being guilt-tripped
into supporting Black-owned brands. So yeah, y'all, just want to let you know, if you have any last minute items you would like to get from Colored Raine, they are having a pretty good going out of business sale. So definitely go stock up. They did mention in the post, give them like 7 to 14 business days for you to get it, because as you would imagine, they're about to get a lot of sales. But I did also name, you know, some Black-owned brands that are still out there, still thriving. So if you haven't checked anything out from them before, definitely go check it out now. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on Colored Raine shutting down in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.